Hey, my name is Charlotte. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Frigidaire GASKET-DOOR part number 216522378. The Frigidaire GASKET-DOOR part number 216522378 is a replacement part for a refrigerator door. It is a rubber seal that fits around the perimeter of the door to create an airtight seal. This helps to keep cold air in and warm air out, which helps to maintain the temperature inside the refrigerator. The gasket also helps to reduce energy consumption by preventing cold air from escaping and warm air from entering. The gasket is made of durable rubber and is designed to last for many years. It is easy to install and can be replaced if it becomes worn or damaged. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement door gasket for a Frigidaire refrigerator. It is used to seal the door and prevent cold air from escaping. It can help to fix issues such as warm air entering the refrigerator, frost buildup, and poor cooling performance. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the refrigerator from the wall outlet. 2. Remove the screws that hold the door in place. 3. Carefully remove the door and set it aside. 4. Remove the old gasket by pulling it away from the door frame. 5. Clean any residue left behind from the old gasket with a damp cloth or sponge. 6. Place the new gasket into position on the door frame, making sure it is properly aligned and seated in all areas of contact with the frame. 7. Securely fasten the new gasket to the door frame using screws or adhesive tape as needed, depending on your model. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.